Hi, this is Sogan. Welcome to Sogan's Crochet. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful headband. Headbands are wonderful in the spring or fall. For crocheting this beautiful Tunisian headband, pull up loop, yarn over, pull through one loop, pull up loop, yarn over, pull through one loop, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the last one. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, chain 2, skip first space, insert your hook into the next space, yarn over and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop 3 times, 4, and the last one. Skip one space, insert your hook into the next space, yarn over and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop 3 times, 4 times. Skip one space, insert your hook into the next space, yarn over and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop 3 times, 4 times. Yarn over, insert your hook into this stitch and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through these loops for crocheting 1 bubble stitch, chain 1, yarn over, pull through these loops for crocheting 2nd bubble stitch, chain 1, yarn over, pull through these loops except my first loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, chain 2, yarn over, insert your hook into this space and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop 3 times, and the last time. Yarn over, insert your hook on top of this bubble stitch, pull up loop, yarn over, pull up loop 3 times, and the last time. Yarn over, insert your hook into this space and pull up loop 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Yarn over, insert your hook into this stitch and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through these loops for crocheting my first bubble stitch, chain 1, yarn over and pull through these loops. For crocheting second bubble stitch, chain 1, yarn over, pull through all loops except my first loop, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1, yarn over, insert your hook into this space and pull up loop 2 times, 3 times, and the last time. Yarn over, insert your hook on top of this bubble stitch and pull up loop 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Yarn over, insert your hook into this space and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Yarn over, insert your hook into this stitch and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through this loop. For crocheting my first bubble stitch, chain 1, yarn over, pull through these loops. For crocheting second bubble stitch, chain 1, yarn over, pull through all loops except my first loop, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1, and repeat. Repeat the sequence until you reach the desired length. Join the headband to the hair tie. With a single crochet. Make a single crochet on top of this bubble stitch. Make a single crochet into this space. Make 2 single crochets on top of this bubble stitch. Make a single crochet into this space. Make 2 single crochets on top of this bubble stitch. 1 and 2. Make a single crochet into this stitch. Chain 1, cut the yarn off. And then hide your yarn. If the video was useful to you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and active the bell. See you later.